This is the beautiful painting that we will make using multi-mini blooms. First, we're going to be adding little puddles of Liquitex Cerulean Blue. I really like this blue. It's very, very pretty. And they're just small. We're going to have many small blooms on this painting. Next, I'm adding Pebeo green blue. With it, I added a little bit of the pigment from this little Piggy Brulee, but it's mostly Pebeo green blue. And then we have a Liquitex Lime Green. I added a little bit of metallic green into it. And beautiful Liquitex Ultramarine Blue. Not a whole lot of that. Now I made a custom blue. It's usually just the blue that you like with a little bit white. And I'm adding it just around the colors. This is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. And I'm going a little bit around, a little bit in circle, not too much. When it starts shifting, just center it and pop those bubbles. I use the torch. Got to pop those bubbles, those little air bubbles. And I decided I needed a little bit more of the Cerulean Blue around the outside and a little bit going in. The cell activator is Oxide Black using Australian Floetrol. I'm using my mini hairdryer blower. Now notice I'm not spreading out the bloom too far because they're all quite close together. And we will just repeat this on all the blooms. You do want to blow them far enough so they're almost touching the other blooms as they're blown out. If not, there'll be a lot of white space in between. And if that's what you like, then that is good too. When you see white little dots appear, just very lightly touch it with your skewer. Don't go down to the bottom of the canvas. Just lightly on top, touch it, and it should disappear. Those are the air bubbles popping, letting some of the pillow paint from below come up. Now we will just repeat the process, making more blooms. I'm going to speed this process up just a little bit so your video is not too long. Okay, now I'm going to use my skewer stick and just doodle a little bit, and by doing that I am connecting the blooms. Okay, we're going to take this off of the table and bring it to the puppy pool where we will spin it out. Look how beautiful that is already looking. But we have to make sure we get enough paint off so when it dries it doesn't crack. So I'm still going to have to do some spinning. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Now I'm taking it off so I can look at it, and I'm tilting it. I'm putting it back on and we'll spin some more. And this is real time now, speed. And this will be till the very end. So what do you think? Didn't that turn out absolutely beautiful? I do think so.